Tonight, after 10 months of so much despair, new light at the end of a very dark tunnel. For healthcare workers, it comes as the nation saw its deadliest week since April. More than 15,000 new deaths. Nationwide, nearly 200 hospitals at capacity, and almost 1/3 are seeing more than 80% of ICU beds occupied.
Things are really tough.
This virus is so serious, and people don't see it that way.
From coast to coast, hospitals have been preparing to roll out the vaccine for weeks. In Phoenix, this healthcare system doing a practice drill. In Louisiana, Ochsner Health making sure their storage unit is ready for the nearly 10,000 doses heading their way.
Those vaccines will go into these containers that are for cold storage.
So many frontline workers now breathing a sigh of relief after living in fear of contracting the virus and passing it on to their own families.
I've had doctors come up and tell me, I've not seen my parents in 6 months. I'm afraid to go home.
Dr. Paul Nee works at Danbury Hospital in Connecticut, where some 700 medical staff signed up for the vaccine in less than 24 hours.
What does the vaccine mean to healthcare workers?
I think it's hope. It may be the beginning of the end of COVID.
In Mississippi, where the state is out of ICU beds, hope comes too late for frontline workers like Angela Howard's sister, Janet Sidden. She and her husband both contracted the virus at the same time.
They actually wheeled him into ICU and let him hold her hand for a little bit.
Janet died weeks before the vaccine arrived.
I wish it had been a month sooner. However, I'm grateful that it's coming, and I'm more grateful and relieved that healthcare workers are receiving it first.
Healthcare workers who are heroes, willing to sacrifice to save lives, even when it costs them their own.
Megan joins us now from Los Angeles. Megan, hospitals in California are filling up fast. How soon will hospitals receive the doses?
Jose, 7 hospitals across the state are expecting to receive this vaccine as soon as this week, especially the one behind me here, Cedars-Sinai. And, it can't come soon enough. This hospital here, ICU is at capacity. Across Southern California, ICU capacity has dropped to 5%. Jose?
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.